Guys, hi, this is another Get Ready With Me video. Today I mostly have to do work from home, which is my personal work, but I'm also meeting my friends. I was gonna meet some more friends today, but I don't have the energy to socialize because I just want to chill with my people during my week offs or weekends. As I have exhausted my energy throughout the whole week, I want to be with people and I want to surround myself with people who are genuinely, good to me, and I feel genuinely good with them, and I don't have to pretend, and I can be my true self, which is very insane, and I hardly show that self to. Well, throughout the past 7 to 8 years, I have detached myself from so many people because I don't have the energy to be with people who I have to pretend, or to be with people who I can sense that they are like totally fake with me, but then I'm like, जाने दो दोस्त है. But no, I cannot do that anymore. I don't have that energy. See, I used to think that detaching from people who are close to you but are not nice to you is not a good thing, because they were nice to you at some point in your life and you are very close to them. You have created this beautiful bond and you don't want to leave them, and you can't think of life without them. You should be friends with people who don't judge you for your mistakes, but also make sure that you don't repeat your mistakes, and also helps you understand that where you were wrong. I know you cannot rely on your friends for everything, but I believe friends are someone whom you reach out to whenever you feel low. I have been friends with people who are genuinely, are there for me whenever I feel like I need them, or even whenever they need me, I'm there for them. It's like give and take relationship. It just does not make me feel that I'm just a giver in this relationship. It does not exhaust my energy, because whenever I'm with my friends, I feel very refreshed. I feel that I'm energized, and they just make me feel good about myself, and they don't judge me for the way I am. Not every friend you make in your life is your best friend. You go to college, you go to workplace, you travel around the world and you make friends, but not necessarily that every friend you make in your life is your best friend. So there are categories for that. Like, you have a colleague, you have someone whom you know through your Instagram, and then there are best friends. Hi. I believe that you don't have to put up with everyone's shit. Detaching from people and choosing yourself is self care and self love, to be honest. Because you're constantly being with people who are exhausting your energy and make you feel bad about yourself. You gotta think about your choices in life, because people you make friends literally speaks half of your personality, because you meet them every other day, you talk with them, you adapt their habits, you adapt their lifestyle. So it really plays an important role in your life, that people you speak with every day, especially you're working, you're managing your finances, you're dealing with your family crisis, you are in this peak stage of your career. It's, of course, we're gonna make more friends. Of course, we're gonna meet more new faces. And of course, we will feel like, this guy or this girl can be my bestie, or this guy or this girl can be my buddy. Choose wisely. Just because they're in your office, they work with you, or just because you travel to some place and, you vibe with them, does not mean that you have to, make them a very important part of your life. And it does not mean that you have to share every single thing of your life. Understand to draw boundaries. But yeah, there are times that you genuinely need a good friend at your workplace, because I have a best friend whom I met at literally my workplace. 6 or 7 months we were just friends, we used to see each other, but we started hanging out like every other day. We have worked on multiple projects. We make literally such a good duo that we became best friends, and she really helps me grow. She really encourages me to do better. And this is her, Pragna, and I met her literally at my workplace, and we're literally best friends, and I love her so much. You meet people, you know each other, you understand how they function, and if you feel like this certain person can influence me in a good way, can push me to do good in life, you should literally keep that person in your life. But if you feel like that person is bad influence, but you have to, work with them, or you have to go to college with them, and you have to see that person every other day. It's okay to be friends with them, but learn to draw boundaries, because that's really important. Because once you let that person cross that boundary, there is no going back, and it just gets very messy. I'm just gonna try this gloss from Zudio.
Bruh.
I just changed the angle because the lighting was getting bad. I was saying that you meet good people in your life and you meet bad people in your life. You have to understand and draw boundaries, whom you want to let inside and whom you just want to, stay outside that boundary. Because it's not that hard to draw boundaries. You just have to understand that the person is right for your life or not. I've learned the hard way to just, talk less, show your power through your actions and not by your words. By talk less, I don't mean like stop yapping. By talk less, I just mean good stuff that is happening in your life to people that does not want good for you. I know it's hard to understand whom to trust and whom to not, but with time, you'll definitely understand that. See, I know detachment from people who are already in your life is very hard. It hurts. It hurts like hell, but you have to do it. Once you do it, once you see the progress in yourself, once you see that once I have detached myself from that particular person, I am seeing growth in me, because you have stopped hanging out with that negative person who is just literally putting negative shit in your head, and your mindset is literally getting fucked up, and because of that person. And once you stop talking to that person, you are seeing clear from here, and you're focused on your goals, and you are having this positive mindset which is not getting affected by that negative person, because you have stopped seeing that negative person. And once you close this door, there is no negative energy coming inside, and the positive mindset that you have is not being affected. Once you open this door even slightly, the negative energy is going to come and enter in your head, and it's just going to fuck up. And I have experienced this multiple times, and that person is just manipulating me in thinking that life is shit and nothing good can happen in life. I don't want to hang around with such people, because I am full of life, I'm full of love. Of course, there are days where I feel like giving up. Of course, there are days where I feel like life is shit. But just because I am having a shitty day, I do not make others feel shitty about life. I just keep it to myself, and I just talk to my friends that I don't feel good. So let's just meet and just talk about something else. And even if I want to talk about it, I don't make it in a way that they will feel shitty about their life, but will help me feel better about myself. So there are ways to communicate, there are ways how you portray your problems, there are ways how you ask for help. Never ask for help by making others feel that life is no good. You should also stop, living your life because I feel very shitty about my life. That is not the right way to ask for help. You never know, someone is going through a rough patch in their life, and they have gained this courage to start thinking in a positive way, and the other person approached them in a certain way that they also feel like, yeah, life तो सच में shit है. I took this whole week to gain this courage to have this positive mindset. But yeah, ये तो सही बोल रहा है. There is nothing fun in this life. No, that's not true. There are phases in life, there are highs and lows in life. It keeps on happening. The life cannot be straight. Of course, it's gonna be like this. It is gonna be a rough patch. Of course, there's gonna be a good patch. Just because you had a rough week does not make a dull life. Please push yourself whenever you're having a rough week, that I can see the light. There is good stuff, coming for me. I can achieve my goals. I can have that life that I've been dreaming about. I know it's hard. I know it's difficult. I know there are going to be days you just feel like I just wanna stop doing this because I can't do this anymore. It's just too exhausting. But once you start seeing the results, once you start seeing that there is good stuff, I am capable of achieving this good stuff, you push yourself. Eventually, you do. I am speaking from my personal experience. During the start of the year, I have had multiple breakdowns and I have felt like giving up so many times. But I have pushed myself, I have picked up myself, and I have said to myself that no, that's not true. I am someone who does not like to make people feel bad about themselves. I like to be this happy kid. Who asked me that even after working 8 hours of job, how do you bring so much of energy? And I didn't know what to answer to this question, but then I realized that it's the people I'm around with. If I am meeting friends who are not really making me feel good about myself, I won't, put out that much of energy. I love meeting my friends after work. I love hanging out with them. I love being insane with them. I love being crazy with them because that's just how they make me feel that Mitali, you are in a free space where you can be whatever you want to be. You can be quiet, you can talk, you can cry, you can be loud. That's just how they make me feel, and that's just how I make them feel. You're already dealing with so much of shit. You don't want to hang out with people who make you feel like shit. So yeah, I'm just gonna end this video here, and I hope you feel good about yourself. And if you don't, please think about the people you're hanging out with, and if it's not the people, please push yourself enough, make yourself understand that there is good stuff waiting for you, and you're literally on the way. This rough phase is literally part of the process. Don't live with that mindset that मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है. सबके साथ कुछ ना कुछ होता ही रहता है. So मजे करो guys, and that's it for my YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel down below. I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.